Let's give it one low. Depthside studio, whoa. And baby tell a Linto, whoa. DJ Mel, hit it.
Swangaran mi tuwing ngari rumne. Island girl, my island girl, from Kiribati. Island girl, my island girl from Matonga. Island girl, look so wow. My island girl from Kiribati. Baby, you look so perfect. Baby, you look so beautiful. Yeah.
'Cause every time I look into your eyes and I see paradise. Number one inside my mind. So island girl, come with me, and I will take you to the island life. The island life, the island way. When she dancing like a coconut tree.
Island girl, my island girl from Kiribati. Island girl, my island girl from Matonga. Island girl, look so wow. My island girl from Kiribati. Baby, you look so perfect. Baby, you look so beautiful. Yeah.
Rise up again, I'm rise up in the morning. How do you do? And good morning, baby. Can't you feel the woman under the sunshine? Every time when you wake up in the morning, under the sunshine, we feeling so fine, yeah. Holding your hands is like a sweet mama, me. Smiling at you, smiling at me. Smiling your face as a natural beauty, eh. Sometimes you baka never makeup. Or sometimes you baka no Jamaica. Oh yeah, my way, my sweet mama way, eh. Oh yeah, my way, my sweet mama way, eh. Ahora tenga ese muedan roro to kina yon banan island girl 666 KI menta por your side studio wari time to mu wega mi ngai DJ me wari time to ndoro ni ko